Here's your 60-second script. Designing a circuit without knowing your impedance is like driving blind. Get it wrong and your signal distorts, your components overheat, or your filter just doesn't work. That's exactly why we built this free Impedance RLC calculator. Just plug in your resistance, inductance, and capacitance values, then set your frequency, and it instantly calculates your total impedance, reactance, and phase angle. No formulas to memorize, no manual crunching. Here's a quick example. Say you've got a 100 ohm resistor, a 10 millihenry inductor, and a 100 microfarad capacitor running at 60 Hz. Hit calculate and you instantly see your inductive reactance, capacitive reactance, total impedance, and where your signal stands phase-wise. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a working engineer, this tool saves you time and catches mistakes before they become expensive. Try it free using the link below. Word count in 48.